is a division of Ripjak International Corporation with its manufacturing facility in Portland, Oregon. This video is your formal invitation to view the complete Ripjak line. In 1985, we designed and in 1986 produced the first ever over and under four-blade cutter head for any pallet dismantler. This Ripjak originated concept was shown and promoted in pallet trade magazines with a number of articles printed. The news was released long before any other company had anything even remotely resembling our product. As you can see here, it successfully sheared both top and bottom nails with each stringer stroke of the machine. The deep throat pusher on the rear of the carriage allows each stroke to propel the pallet completely through the cutter head, assuring that all nails are cut. Ripjak was also the first manufacturer to recommend that the center stringer be the last one stroked so as to allow a floating action of the pallet through the heads. The name Ripjak first appeared in the pallet industry in 1974, long before any present pallet recycling machinery entered the picture. The first Ripjak was this hydraulic board, actually the first commercial pallet repair machine. Ripjak was also first to use inner-pack, high-pressure hydraulic power to operate any machine in the pallet repair industry, long before it was fashionable to be in pallet recycling. As you can see, this patented unit required about 5 minutes to completely take a pallet apart, too long by today's standards. This automatic rear exit tray for powered stringer removal and ejection was on our 1987 model and continues to be featured on our full line today. When Ripjak attended the Interpal 88 Pallet Machinery Show in Ottawa, Canada, our exhibit included this feature, plus the first automatic stringer removing over and under cutter head, and the first ever anywhere nail nub press for hydraulically compressing nail stubble on stringers. It was attached to the outfeed end of that machine as well. Of course, as you can see with this simple economy model, single-face unit, Ripjak provides quality machines for the lower-end production shop, as well as making the highest speeds machines available anywhere. This tape shows them all, so continue watching carefully. You may want to give us a call and stop by our nearest regional distributor to see the highest tech equipment available in the industry. Machine frames are made in various parts of the United States and in other countries by our authorized regional distributors. Copyrighted Ripjak plans are provided to the distributor, and our factory-made patented head assemblies are then distributor installed. Each authentic Ripjak unit is covered both by our factory warranty and by our distributor's warranty. Regional manufacture assures convenient nearby parts and service availability and also saves the considerable cost of machine transportation from Portland, Oregon to all distant customers. Parts are usually on hand at each distributor location, which also saves downtime and expensive next-day air shipping. Patented, heavy-duty, over and under cutter heads are the best in the industry. They are standard equipment on all Ripjak single-stroke per stringer models. Some of our deluxe units are equipped with toolboxes and certain safety features, cutter shielding, etc., that is not currently available on competitive brand machines. Every Ripjak machine is test run prior to shipment to our clients. Fine-tuning is essential to assure performance upon arrival. In 1990, Ripjak sold its first tip pallet vertical dismantler. The concept of multi-heads mounted on a crossbar was also mentioned in a news release, and here again, this was before any bar-mounted multi-cutter heads were offered by a competitor. Our Ripjak half-pallet dismantler features the patented locking T-bar cutter mount for multiple heads. This positive locking device allows positioning the head assemblies either horizontally for fast dismantling or vertically for locked machine maintenance mode. This machine, as do all of our product line, features Ripjak's well-known guaranteed unbreakable tool steel cutters. We show it here without a conveyor being tested in our Portland plant. This test run emphasizes the speed potential and a real need for outfeeding the lumber by conveyor or turntable, or both. This Ripjak half-pallet unit can be run by one person or by two and discharges all material off the machine automatically. Obviously, the machine produces recovered lumber at a pace where conveyor or turntable are needed in sorting and disposing of its output. Double stringers do not affect the machine's smooth functioning, as you can see here. This particular recycler chooses to simply have the lumber fall and be picked up rather than invest in a conveyor. He'll probably get one later. You can plainly see that this recycler will not only outproduce the previous one, but also the conveyor is a great help for production output and is easier on his people. They will deliver more end product and will be less tired at the end of the shift. It's fast, at 10 seconds per pallet, so total output will depend on the operator pacing himself with the machine. Our multi-stringer gang nail nub press runs right next to the half-pallet dismantler and is powered by the hydraulics of the dismantler, another first by Ripjak. Here you see the safety entrance and exit doors featured on the Ripjak nub press. This is some of the finest engineering you will likely see in the pallet recycling industry, with the marrying of our patented over and under heads to our locking T-bar multi-head assembly, also patented.
Stand by. Okay. A little assembly there. Okay, go ahead and put it back in. Thank you, Daryl. Just a minute, Mike. Okay.
over and under heads allow a single 5-second stroke per each pallet. The recovered lumber requires quite a few people just to sort and stack it. 1,500 to 2,000 dismantled pallets in an 8-hour shift is a typical day occurrence, not the exception. With another conveyor added, they could recover even more than they do now. Ripjak's Busy Bee is a portable on-site dismantler for those of you who must take the machine to the pallets. This unit is powered by a gas engine. In addition to these heads, many patenting features on the Busy Bee make it quite possibly the most unique recycling machine in existence. The Busy Bee allows the gathering of lumber by dismantling on site, thus allowing the operator to transport a greater The Busy Bee is available in 3 models: over and under single stroke per remove stringer, triple head half pallet per stroke, and the economy single head 2-cutter unit. This busy bee is now on the way to its new home in California.
And of course, here we are again.
Ripjak tries out the newest option for its half-pallet dismantler. The self-feeder is part of the machine and runs by the same hydraulic system that powers the rest of the unit. sometimes things get stuck, but it's easy to correct if you use the right tools. Notice that the tip stack conveyor moves the entire stack forward to drop each pallet into place automatically. No lifting. Another conveyor and a second turntable to automatically discharge stringers would eliminate the back and forth walking you see here. Imagine this unit with 3 over and under heads, a self-feeding total, no flipping of pallets. This model half-pallet machine is shown at a facility in Ohio where it was made. Ripjak distributors can assemble any Ripjak frame to your order. Authentic in every way, it is built according to our blueprints. Our heads are what make it all work. A mini version of the nail nub press flattens all nails on 3 stringers with each stroke. Again, Ripjak reintroduces its latest version of an inline nail nub press. Unlike the one released in 1988, the inline is connected directly to the outfeed stringer exit tray. Power and controls are on the dismantler itself.
Okay, it's that fast. That's how fast the cylinder moves. Okay? Now watch it. Watch it up there.
Shown here is our 60 SS single-stroke per stringer dismantler. Each 60-inch stringer is automatically removed mechanically from the pallet. Another Ripjak first. By the way, we invite you to compare our cutters with any others made. You will discover, as others have, that none are even in the same league as far as quality is concerned. You cannot find a better cutter anywhere. If it's the best you can buy, then it has to be a Ripjak. After learning that over 60% of pallet damage consists of lead board breakage, we created the first lead board repair station. This unit has air-fed overhead nail gun support and safety screen above the 3 tool steel cutter heads. Each stroke quickly shears all nails on the lead board and the pallet retracted. Board can either be turned so good edge faces out or replaced with another. It is the fastest lead board repair available. Unit can be fed and exited by side conveyor too. The safety guard was added for obvious reasons. For those of you who are interested only in complete machines, you may want to stop watching at this point. However, if you have any intention of building your own dismantler or upgrading your current machine to produce more than what it was ever able to do, then continue watching. We have some of the most exciting high-speed footage still to be seen. Ripjak's guaranteed unbreakable cutters and a variety of cutter head designs. The components are shown here. We guarantee that your machine of any brand can be used by installing our superior cutter heads. In this case, a 54A unnailer is retrofitted with our over and under cutter heads. The step-by-step instructions with a series of color photographs show exactly how the transformation is done and how quickly. A good fabricator can complete the makeover in about a day and a half. Straight, measured cutting is important. Proper positioning of our heavy-duty heads should end with this result. A good eye and a steady hand are both helpful when completing this part of the retrofit installation. The Ripjak method of rear exit stringer feature is optional, but recommended. The alternative means the handling of material from twice the number of pallets as you may be used to. Your operator will appreciate the rear exit feature.
That one there, you can run through it upside down or right side up. Yeah, that's right.
For those who want to build their own machine, Ripjak's highest performance quality heads make it not only possible, but so much easier. This Arkansas recycler mounted 3 of our single heads with unbreakable cutters onto a crossbar. The frame is homemade and the machine is powered with a simple forklift mass. Result? An inexpensive unit that is more productive than many high-priced units made by several well-known competitors. A single cylinder speeds things up, too. This newest Ripjak retrofit features a carriage-mounted set of 3 cutter heads. Any single cutter head style dismantler can be easily upgraded, just as this 54B was used to show that no power increase is necessary to triple production. Simply add a Ripjak kit. Ripjak is constantly creating new ways to upgrade old machines into high production systems. This is just another method, patent pending. Our patented tilting T-bar assembly with its adjustable post cutter heads is also available in complete kit form. The main functioning components of this trio were removed by this Oregon recycler, who wanted a more reliable machine than he had bought. He gutted the heads, mounts, round crossbar, and lightweight pusher assembly. These were replaced with high-quality Ripjak heavy-duty heads, unbreakable cutters, and our patented T-bar package. The result? Guaranteed improvement in production. The recycler recovered his kit costs totally within a month. He was able to recover more usable lumber from less pallets in a single shift each day than he had been able to get in 2 shifts a day. He saved the labor of the evening shift and had more lumber to boot. His letter is attached to the quote with this videotape. Read it. Ripjak's unique patented design multi-jaw pallet tool allows a single pull to remove a board from a pallet. Both fixed 40-inch size and adjustable size tools, up to 48 inches long, are available. Block pallet tools and other tools are also part of our ongoing line. Our Ripjak tabletop repair station is quite an inexpensive unit. It allows a stack of derelict pallets to be cleated together into a single heavy mass. Our special form tabletop is laid on the top pallet, and side flaps are nailed to the pallet. The tabletop has a special hooded hold-down surface which helps to stabilize pallets being worked on by securing the pallet to the tabletop. An overhead gun support is air-fed and is optionally available. Ripjak produced the first tool steel cutter power sharpener in 1983. Exhibited at many shows and meetings throughout the industry, the unit is used by many recyclers throughout the United States and other countries. A wide variety of cutters and blades can be sharpened on it, and most who own it believe that it has paid for itself many times over in both saved shipping costs and sharpening fees, but mostly because they have complete in-house control over the maintenance of their cutters. It is adaptable to any circular cutter, regardless of brand or size. Ripjak pioneered also the first solid-arm horseshoe-designed stringer repair plater press. Our machine was shown and advertised in 1988. Again, the following year, almost every competitor manufacturer copied its jaw-mounted cylinder, its adjustable anvil, its cylinder thrust guide, and the fact that it was a special small cylinder power by impact high-pressure hydraulics. This design of ours has been our gift to the pallet industry and to all other manufacturers. We really should have patented it, but we were still first with the method and the design.
Pull it out so we can see all 3 holes. Can you do that? Okay. Okay, now you can stick it back in and bring it up from below. Or down from above.
Then I'm in the middle hole.
You've been using the middle hole?
Yeah.
Okay.
Try this one.
Push it over and then bring it right back. Okay.
To order, just call or fax us a message. We'll expedite your order through the nearest distributor who will help you in any way needed. To inquire about becoming a distributor yourself, a fax, letter, or a phone call will put you in touch with our International Marketing Director, John L. Johnson. He will send you an information packet and answer any questions you might have.